Hello friends, in this video we will learn how we can apply correlation in SPSS. So before understanding the applying of correlation in SPSS, firstly we will understand what is the condition to apply correlation in SPSS. So for correlation we should have two variables because correlation indicates the relationship between two or more variables. So we should have at least two variables in which we are going to find the correlation, and both the variables should be measured on interval scale or on the ratio scale. So this is the necessary condition. So firstly we will see what if we have two variables, so what type of hypothesis we can make. So let's see now what can be the hypothesis for correlation. So if suppose my hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between height and weight. So here you can see we have two variables named as height and weight, and both these variables are measured on ratio scale. So this way, this is the condition that we should have at least two variables and both should be measured on either interval scale or on ratio scale. So here we have two variables which we have measured on ratio scale. So now we move for the SPSS window for applying correlation. So friends, I am here with the one data set. In that there are two variables, height and weight. So let's check first their measurement. So I am going for checking their measurement on the variable view. So in variable view we can see we have two variables, height and weight, and their measurement is scale. And in SPSS, scale meaning is this variable is either measured on interval scale or on ratio scale. So this condition is sufficient for us. Now we'll go to see how we can apply correlation in SPSS. So for that we need to go on analyze menu. Then we need to go to correlate and then select bivariate. Bivariate because we have two variables, so we are going for the bivariate analysis. Now here at the left hand side both the variables are listed. Now you need to shift both these variables. You need to select, either you can shift one by one these two variables in the right hand side box, or you can select both the variables simultaneously and shift these with the help of this arrow like this. Now after that you need to check here, you need to make sure here that the correlation coefficient, here there are three types of correlation coefficients are mentioned, that is Pearson's, Kendall's, Tau B, Spearman. So which type of correlation we are finding here? So as we have two variables and we have measured both the variables on the ratio scale, so we are going for the Pearson's coefficient of correlation. If we have two variables and we have measured those variables on ordinal scale, in that case we can go for the Spearman's rank correlation. So the first condition is you need to check the measurement scale. So we have checked, so that is why we are going for the Pearson's scale. And then you need to check here that two tail should be selected. If not, so you need to select that. And then you need to go to the options menu. You need to check that excluded case pairwise should be checked here or should be selected here. So it is selected by default by SPSS. Remaining two we are not interested, that is the mean and the standard deviation. If you want to find the mean and standard deviation of these two variables, you can select this. Then the cross product deviations and the covariance, if you want to check that, so you can select these two check boxes. But here we are for only checking the correlation between these two variables. So that is why I am not going to select these two. So I am just pressing here continue, and after that you need to just press on OK. So as you will press OK, the output window of SPSS will give the results of correlation. So here you can see this is the correlation table in which we are getting the results. So it is indicating us the correlation between the height and weight, and the value of correlation or Pearson's correlation is 0.823 and its significant value is 0.000. So that means we can say that this significant value is less than 0.05. So that is why we are not going to accept the null hypothesis, and we can say there is a significant correlation between height and weight. And this 0.823 is indicating that the correlation between height and weight is positive, and we can say it is around 82.3% correlation between height and weight. So friends, I hope this video will help you to understand how we can apply correlation in SPSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain for more such videos on SPSS or on statistics or on some other numerical topics. If you want any other kind of video from my side, so you can comment your requirement on the comment section, and you can also like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you once again. Happy learning to all.